All right, bring it on in. All right, bring it on in, right here. Hold it right there. We have to check each sheet for any defects. Even the smallest knot can ruin a batch. Perfect grain alignment is what we're looking for. This one looks good to go. These ovens run 24/7. We have to maintain precise heat. Perfect calibration is key. We start by mixing the raw chemicals. This automated process keeps the mixture perfectly stable. They have to dry evenly. Any moisture ruins the batch. The friction surface must be completely uniform. This machine packs 10 boxes every second.